So yes, guys, I hope you are able to see the stream, if I may assume such. And hold on, yes, guys. So yeah, let me write something so that you get a clear picture of that you can see. And hold on, yes, I guess the live can notice the right. Yeah, now this is completely fine. Now I've confirmed that the live is able to get my writings and all screens are clear. So what's my plan for today is that I'm gonna clearly grind intensely so that I could so that I could save some time at some point. Now for that, planning on solving something like we could go with either or math or physics or chemistry. So what are my plans are is that I have a face is coming up on this Monday, and I am planning on doing that. I mean preparing for that face test. So for that I could I should actually seriously grind, and the portion for my upcoming tests are gonna be wait, yeah. So the portion for my upcoming tests are like from maths. Uh, I've got little of PNC, binomial theorem, and I've got differential equations. Yeah, let me write differential equations, and I've got areas from integration. Yeah, the concept of like areas, and from physics I've got magnetism. Right, yeah, the magnetism, and I've got pretty much of EMI2, the electromagnetic induction, and I've got to be doing magnetism and electromagnetic induction, and I've got ray optics too. Yeah, I could not forget that ray optics, and not completely. I've got like limited portion of ray optics, which is only reflection. So only reflection. So only reflection in the sense, yeah, just representing this. Then we could go for chemistry. Coming to chemistry, I've got coordination compounds. Then I've got chemical kinetics. Then I've got dilute solutions. If, yeah, if you say that, dilute solutions. Then I've got carbohydrates, so which is like biomolecules. If you say carbohydrates, carbohydrates. So if these are the portions, then I have to do some checklist. So the checklist is that Yama I've been doing it pretty good, and I want you guys like to involve. If you guys wanna suggest or give me any question, I will try to do. And magnetism is also pretty fine with me. Coming to PNC and BT from the maths, hold on, let me filter some good color to mark so that yeah. So I'm at good at these two, if I may assume that. BT I could do, and PNC is like I've done pretty much, and differential equation I could do, and I can manage it, and areas is also fine. I can always do that. And the optics, if you talk, I haven't even started it yet, and I'm planning to do it. So depending upon my mood, I'll see whether should I start Meroptics right now or not. Now coming to coordination compounds, I shall revise it back again. Let me mark this with red. And coming to chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is like I've done pretty much, but I'm not so confident. So let's mark it up with orange or something. Yeah. So orange is fine. And coming to dilute solutions, I've been practicing it pretty much. Carbohydrates I haven't even started it, so I shall be reading that. Yeah. So my plan for today is, I shall be at least grinding for some time, and that time shall be till some till night. Let's see what happens. Then yes, guys. I'm gonna start with let's start with going with physics or maths or chemistry. Chemistry is not that good to solve. Maths is pretty good to solve, and yeah, let's start with maths. So maths is a good. Assessment to advance, suppose. And it's a start, and I'm moving with maths. So let's see. Have some work completed. Let's see. It should be yeah. And yes, guys. Coming to the question, if you guys wanna try it alongside with me, I'll be struggling pretty much in this question solving because I'm not a teacher or something. So what am I planning to do is taking up a question and I'll be either dictating it or we could yeah, either be dictating the question or I'll tell the idea and you can guys try along with me. Then we could we could try solving that together. So question, if you guys want me to stick that question up and I can paste it. So yeah, but question is the first question which I've been thinking of doing is 60 numbers which can be formed using okay this yeah okay. And yes guys, you can now pass on the ideas and I'll be implementing the ideas too along with you. So let me give the question. The question goes on saying that a person predicts results of 9 cricket matches between A and B. So yeah, suppose there are two teams which are like A and B, and a person predicts results of 9 cricket matches. So he predicts all the 9 cricket matches. If each match either win or loss or draw for A, find the number of ways of predicting exactly 5 results correctly. So yeah, predicting at least 5 results correctly is the question. So if each match either win or loss or draw for A, so A has either win, loss or draw cases, and if this, so vice versa, B would have loss, win and draw cases. That is, of course, we know that. So find the number of ways of predicting exactly 5 results correctly. To predict 5 results correctly, and there are total 9 cricket matches, and among the 9, see, let's ways of predicting exactly 5 results correctly. Okay. So let's take that we predict A won the first match. Shit, bro. Come on. What is wrong? Yeah. This question is too bad. Oh, I guess so. Oh, wait, yeah. Let's take that he is having a probability of winning. Let's take that it has won one match. Then B would of course lose that match. And let's take A lost a match, B would win a match. Then if A as a draw, then B will have a draw. The question goes on saying that find the number of ways of predicting exactly five results correctly. To predict five results correctly out of nine, it's a combination of choosing five, nine, C, five. So we could say among the five, yeah, but so yeah, let's take we have predicted some bunch of five results which are out of nine cricket matches we have predicted five. That means the combination of like predicting the five is 9C5. I mean five nine out of nine combination nine n number of combinations selecting five. So among them, we could so after predicting five either matches, then we could certainly do something. Among A and B, there are like two cricket matches. Yeah, after five are done, uh, then after selecting the five, the rest are four. Isn't it? Yeah. When there are four matches which are left, let's take that we could predict some four matches which are after predicting the five. See, let me mark the matches which we have predicted. All five are like something like such matches. After we predict the five, there are like such four matches which we couldn't predict. That means we have predicted the opposite, the counterclockwise of the ones. See, like total number of predicting the matches are 99, like everything out of everything, right? We are able to predict everything. After that, we were unable to predict four such matches. That is like 9C4. So out of all, we could not predict four. Now, how could we do that? If we subtract such thing, then we don't certainly get. Now, what is 9C4? Oh man, this is too much. I don't think this is a good question to be solving. Yeah, let's hold it and let's move on with another question. Question says that in a cricket series between two teams, A and B, they decide to play until one of the team wins five matches. Find the number of ways in which he can win if no match ends in draw. So if you want me to write the question, it's good if I write it. So yeah, question says in a cricket series between two teams A and B, they decided to play until one of them wins five matches. Five matches. So matches then find the number of ways in which he can win if no match ends in draw. So this is such question, which is like in a cricket match series between two teams A and B, they they decided to play until one of them wins five matches. Now they decided to play until one of them wins. Which he can win if no match ends in draw. So let's take A and B. So among these two, we decide to play until one of them wins five matches. Okay. So we shall, there are many matches played, and they decided to play until five matches are won by either of the team. Let's take that A has won all the five matches. I mean, until they have played until like out of ten matches, they have played five matches to win. So for that, we could go with NC5. Like they decided to play until five matches. One number of ways in which A can win if no match ends in draw. If no match ends in draw, that means every match is lost. I mean, all the matches which were done are lost. Now this should be so out of total number of matches, which is like NCN, total number of matches are like NC5 matches which were won as well as matches which were lost. NC5 N minus 1 C, and how many were there lost? There would be among N, there are like N minus 5 matches which are lost. Oh, of course, come on. That would be like NC5 should be 1, and if we assume that NC5 is 1, then it could be like, oh, factor one match, 4 factor, 5 factor, 5 factor, going there. No, come on. What? C5 could be 1. I assume it is. That's very bad. 5C5 is only 1, so you could take 5. Oh no, 5 matches, all 5 matches are won by them. There are no ways of change the number. There are no ways in which A can win if no matches in draw. Can win could be 5 matches in which A could be 19. Damn, bro, that is too bad. This is also pretty hard. I'm unable to process my brain. So, let me try to think again. So yeah, the question is still tough, and I shall be answering this. The art of pure problem solving is great, to be honest. Now that I can. Okay, I guess I should be solved with brute force here. That's too bad. The quizzes between A and B team, they decide to play until one of them wins 5 matches, right? So okay, let's take suppose that A won in first match and B lost. And again B and A lost. B won. Then again A lost, B won. A won, B lost. Then A lost, B won. Again won, lost, won, lost. I'm thinking a random probability case where this is lost, won, and lost, and won. Let's take such case. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Out of 9, or did a we did a case where we won 5 matches, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of ways in which A was won in this case out of 9 matches, number of ways A was won is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if A won 5 matches, then B would lose. Oh damn! Yeah. Now I get it. Now I get it. Now I get it. Now I get it. So among 9 matches, A won 4, 4, right? Oh, because 5 matches are won by B, then so among N, A would win N minus 5 matches. Among N, A would win N minus 1 matches, and among N, B would win N minus NC 5 matches. This is for B. And that is complicated random probability. Yeah. Find the movies in which A can win that no match ends in draw. No match ends in draw is not such a good hint, I suppose. So, guys, do you have any idea, like, uh, thoughts on solving such question? Give me an idea and I'll try to proceed. Yeah. So yes, so this idea would be simply that we take this and let's take, oh yeah, that would be n equals from 5 to any number to an age, and starts from 5 and rest on. So let's take that. Let's take 6. It would be 6. Let's take 7. Answer would be 7. C2. That would be 7. And so 8.2. So 7 to 6.2. That would be. So, okay. Yeah. So this is also not so good question. I'll try to skip it. And let's move on to another question. Find the number of ways of searching 5 numbers from numbers 1 to 100 such that no 2 numbers are consecutive. So yeah. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on a second. So yeah. So yes, guys. What am I planning to do back again is probably, you know, move on with another question. Give me a, give me a break, guys. I mean, yeah. So maybe I could, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to solve the question. So the question goes on saying that find the number of ways of selecting five numbers from numbers 1 to 100 such that no two numbers are consecutive. Consecutive. Damn. So I should be selecting five numbers from 1 to 100 so that no two numbers are consecutive. So let's terminate all the numbers which are consecutive. I mean, let's take to the number of ways of selecting five numbers from 100 are 100 C, 100 C5, and there are like two possibilities of selecting consecutive numbers. One is like taking one, three, I mean, eliminating two even numbers. There's one case and eliminating all numbers. Another case, there are like equal amount of all numbers and even numbers, and let's divide this by two. Let's see. Let's stick with this question, I mean, with this solution. The would be, I guess, 100C5.2. Right. So from 1 to 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. We have 100 numbers, right? Among them, how many odd numbers have we got? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. We got 50 odd and 50 even. So among 50 odd and 50 even, so the number of ways of selecting two numbers is on a random scale. There are like, so yeah, number of ways of selecting, number of ways of search. Yeah, hold on, 96 upon 2, 96. Oh, damn, guys, see. Let's take that there are like two. Okay. The number of ways of selecting five numbers from 1 to 100 are 100 up 100C5, and number of ways of selecting all the even numbers to 50 even numbers, so 50C5, and number of ways of selecting this are 50C5. Are there 50 even numbers? So 2 times of 50C5. Oh, damn, bro. So on the 5, we select 1. We should not be selecting 2. We should be selecting only 3. We should not be selecting 4. We should not be selecting 5. Not 6. We should be selecting all numbers. Of course, we should be selecting the rest all numbers. How many all numbers are there between 1 to 100? Number of odd numbers. There are 1250 odd numbers and there are 1250 even numbers if I assume. So why are things so wrong? Why are things going so wrong? So, hmm. So